Songbird, Kerri from the songbird.tree.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And I just wanted to wish you and your family and your friends a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays for this season. You know, sometimes this season can actually get really crazy. It's super busy and really just crazy, really. And I guess I just wanted to, show up and sort of like speak some words of positivity and joy and hope and faith and love to you and your family, because that's what the season is about at the end of the day, isn't it? So I really do hope and pray that you are enjoying this season, that you will continue to enjoy this season, and that as we sort of wrap up the year, that you also start to look forward to the new year ahead, 2019, and really carry a joyful anticipation and excitement and gratitude for what's to come. You know, personally, myself, I really just have really high hopes for you, Songbird. I have so much faith for your journey ahead next year for 2019. And I also wanted to tell you that I am going to help you with that by kickstarting the year on the January the 1st with a free series on YouTube, 21 Days to Your New Voice. And in those 21 days, I'm literally going to show up here and I am going to be your personal vocal coach, and I'm going to give you bite-sized bits of gold, things that, you know, for 21 days you can actually cultivate a habit of showing up every day to do something small to transform your voice. They're not going to be long videos. They're only going to be about 5 minutes. They're going to be bite-sized, but they're going to be really meaty. You know, you're going to really love each video, because each video is going to bring you something that you can really take away with you. That's not too big a task or anything like that, so that you can start cultivating the habit of showing up every day consistently to work on your voice. They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit, and that's why I've intentionally done a 21-day series for you. So right smack bang from January 1st all the way through to January 21st, you are going to get a new video that's a free bite-sized something to really help motivate you, inspire you, equip you, give you all the skills, give you all the motivation, all the inspiration that you need in order to really journey towards 2019 being the year for you to create your new voice. I am so believing in you. I am so excited about this, and I really hope that you will journey with me. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do make sure that you do, so that you do not miss out on these videos, because you're going to really find so much just nuggets of gold in this, and you're going to absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to take the journey with you. In the meantime, do enjoy a most amazing, blessed, abundant Christmas and holiday season. Enjoy the rest of your year, and I cannot wait to see you on January 1st, 2019 to start the journey of 21 days to your new voice. All right, new year, new voice. Let's get this happening, Songbird. Love you so much. Mwah! And I shall see you on January 1st, 2019. Bye!